Well guys, this is what we're buying, yeah? It's a man cage. Straighten it all out and get it where it's in good condition, just the paint is all bad on it. So we're going to take it apart, put it in the trailer, get it home, and then we'll talk how much we paid and how much it sold for. Right, let's get it done.
So guys, we took it all apart. So there it is there. To fit in the trailer.
Well guys, we made it home in one piece. Unfortunately we were stopped by the cops. But all good, yeah. They were more concerned about this thing here. That's all they were worried about, was this chain. And as soon as you seen it, it says fair play, you have safety on it. And let us on, yeah. So that was kind of good that he let us on. But yeah, there it is there. Let's get it out and cleaned up and get it online, see how much it makes. So guys, this is what we're going to do, yeah? We're going to cut it here, because I'd like to cut it here, but this is not lining up with this. So my plan is I'm going to cut it just above here, just here, and stick a new bar in that lines up here, so we can leave the grip bar on it and put a new bar across there. Cut all this off and a new bar across, so that's the thing. Right, let's get it this straightened out first. Right, there it is, all touched up. I just have to put the bars back in. As you can see where it quickly will go off, the top off. Yeah, so let's get it online there and get ourselves and see how much he makes. So it turned out well. I'm not going to paint the floor's okay, doesn't need paint. So yeah, let's get it up. I might just give the top guard and rather the coat tomorrow, but we'll get it online now and see how it goes.